Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 12 of this series. Today I'm going to tell you another one of my very spooky stories. This is a short one, but it still gives me chills every time I think about it. Hell, I didn't even want to tell you guys about this incident or the scariest one, which will be coming in a later video, but I decided it was creepy enough to share with you all. This happened when my roommates and I were still living in the house that we rented. You know, the one where I heard footsteps downstairs and the TV blaring. Yeah, that house. And again, this happened on a night that I worked until 2 or 3 in the morning. I was pretty exhausted when I got home, so I sped through my nightly routine and climbed into bed. I don't have exact times for this experience because I had no reason to check the time this time around. When I sleep, I typically lay on my side facing the edge of the bed with my back to the majority of the bed. I do this because I believe that if someone is going to creep up on me while I'm sleeping, I'll be able to sense them in front of me, or likewise feel the bed moving behind me if they try to get to me from that side. Yeah, I'm paranoid about home invasions, and I've seen far too many movies like The Strangers and Funny Games. Anyways, I'm lying on my bed and just about to fall asleep when I get that freaky sensation of someone being behind me. I got that very distinct cold chill down my spine, and all of the hairs on my entire body stood up. Before I could move to look or see what it was, I froze as I heard a woman's voice say, "Okay, your turn." But it didn't sound like she was talking to me. It felt more like she was talking to someone or something else. I didn't hear or feel anything else after that. So after turning over and seeing nothing was there, I turned on my TV for the light and tried to go to sleep. It seemed like it took 2 hours before my brain and body had relaxed enough. The next day, I started to ponder over what that phrase meant. And the only thing that I could come up with is perhaps she was teaching someone else how to spook us humans. It's just a theory. That was probably the second creepiest thing I've ever had happen to me. As I said before, the creepiest I will be saving for that creeptastic tale later in the series. As always, if you haven't checked out the previous video in this series, the playlist is linked in the description box. I've also linked my Instagram where you can see the completed project for today. Thank you all so very much for watching, and beware of those cold chills.